MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of our trade-in 2014 Sea Ray 190 Sport. This particular boat is powered by a Mercruiser 4.3 TKS engine. The engine hours are 115. This boat does have a battery on-off switch and a battery. Walk through. Has a built-in cooler under the transom seat. As we move forward, this boat's going to have twin bucket seats with flip-up thigh rise. Here at the helm, you're going to have your digital depth gauge, tilt wheel steering, throttle, and you're also going to have your hour meter built into the tack. Over here, you're going to have your stereo. Moving forward, you're going to have wraparound seating, speakers, stainless grab handles up in the bow area, and a place to store your anchor. This concludes the walkthrough of the 2014 Sea Ray 190 Sport. Come see us at MarineMax Pensacola.